Hallo. So in die vorige video het ek vir jou gejok. Ek het vir jou gesê 7 is die laaste een, maar 8 is die laaste een. Alright, kom ons kyk gou na hoofstuk 8 van I Am David. Okay, so David het nou by die boer waar hy was, het hy ontsnap en die hond King het hom gevolg. Okay, dan hoofstuk 8. So David wrote a letter to Carlo. David does not think Carlo is bad, only stupid. So that's what he wrote in the letter. And if Carlo uses force again, David will change his mind. So he's saying, at the moment, I just think you're stupid, but if you use force again, then you will be evil. And David has seen the letter in the papers. So he saw the letters in the papers that they wrote to him, but David doesn't think he's bad, just stupid, unless he uses force again. Right, and then David crosses over into Germany from Switzerland. So how he crossed over, because remember, he doesn't have a passport, so he needs to sneak over the border without being caught. So the guards were busy checking another guy's passport. And then David ducked behind a hill and crossed over into Germany while the guards were busy. And then when he was on the other side of the fence in Germany, the same man that the guards were checking his passport, he gave him a lift to Frankfurt. So Frankfurt is a town in Germany. I don't know why I have that twice. All right. And King also saved David's life. So King ran into the direction of the guards. And then the guards were busy with King. And then David ran in the other direction into Denmark. So this was King saved David when he crossed into Denmark. Okay, so there were two border crossings. The one was into Germany and the other one was into Denmark. And that's when King saved his life. So King ran towards the guards, and then the guards were like, what's this dog all about? So when the guards were distracted, David ran in the other direction into Denmark, and then the guards killed King. So King sacrificed his life for David, and David respected King's sacrifice. So King followed David out of his own choice. And because he was a sheepdog, so it was in his nature to protect. And so David says that King decided to protect him out of his own choice. King made a choice, and David respected the choice. Okay, so it was even though he's sad because the dog, his friend has died, he's the dog, he respects that it's in the sheepdog's nature to protect, and the sheepdog King made a decision, and David will respect that. And it also helped him to get safe into Denmark to find his mother. So when he's in Denmark, he looked in the telephone directory for his mom's name. So Jorth. So these names, dit is nou Skandinaviese name wat so weird gespel is. H-J, dis nie 'n klank wat mense in ander tale vreeslik kry nie. So mense sê dit Jorth. Fingal is die ma se naam. So onthou haar naam was Edith. So toe soek hy dit op in die telefoonboek en toe kry hy haar adres en gaan na haar huis toe. And when she saw him, she said, "David, my son David." So sy het hom herken. En dan is dit die einde van die storie. So dit is tot waar jy eksamen skryf. En dan hoop ek jy leer lekker en sterkte met die eksamen.